everyone, welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm so happy to have you. If you want to take a moment to subscribe before we get the video, I would really appreciate it. It would mean the world to me. Today we are filming an empties cleaning products video. Things that I've used enough times that I can say yes or no to repurchasing. I think once you give it about a month of cleaning with that certain product, I think you would know whether or not you would like it. I do use a lot of harsher things. I do try to swap out and sometimes just use a little bit of vinegar and water, but just sometimes it doesn't cut it. I don't particularly love using straight bleach, so I do use products with bleach in it. I would like to eventually transition into something less harsh, but for now these are what I use and these are what I could recommend and what I don't recommend. So I really hope you appreciate my recommendations, and I would love to know any cleaning products that you recommend down below. I'm open to try anything new. If you're interested in seeing what I love to clean with, keep on watching. I'm thinking I'll start with the bathroom products, and we will start with the toilet. I purchased this on a whim. It must have been on sale somewhere. I think I paid like $1.49 at Dollar General when they were having one of their sales there, and it's just a Clorox clinging bleach gel for your toilet. You rim the toilet. I believe you let it sit for 10 minutes, clean it, and then flush. Yeah, you allow it to sit for 10 minutes to disinfect. I really like this. It does have a strong chemical smell of bleach. I usually like to put the blue tabs in the back of the tank. I must not have, for some reason I tried this instead. We have really hard water here, so it leaves the rings in the tub and in the toilet. We don't drink our tap water. I do have a filter for it because we do have such harsh water. So this gets that black ring from the brown ring from the harsh water. This does remove it, and it leaves our toilet pretty clean. So I do definitely recommend it. It does say here on the back that they have one of the ones for the back of the tank and I guess the toilet wands, but I really like this, and it definitely leaves the toilet clean. It says it's a cool wave scent. I didn't smell any other scent other than a little bit of bleach. It wasn't too harsh, but I definitely recommend this. I will grab this again. I like the fact that it kills the germs. I probably purchased this right around flu season. That's how long it's lasted me, because you just need a little bit. I think I was going crazy when everyone had the flu, and I was really nervous, and that's why I got a lot of the stuff with Clorox in it or with Lysol, because I was definitely trying to avoid the flu, and thank gosh, knock on wood, we didn't get the flu this year. We did have a couple of bugs, but no one, I think my grandparents both had the flu, but no one in my house actually got it. When we were told about it, I started purchasing stuff with a little harsher chemicals. So I guess we'll go on to this. You can use this, it's an all-purpose. It's the Method all-purpose Honeycrisp apple. At first I liked the scent. The first scent I ever got was the grapefruit. I love the pink grapefruit. I feel like it is very clean and fresh. I'm probably in the minority here with the apple scent. Sometimes it smells like a sour smell, not like a sour apple, sort of. I don't love it. It cleans wonderful. It's great. If you let it sit for like 5 minutes, it will get anything off your stove. I've never had a problem with it. I know they make this is safe for counters, tiles, stone, wood, and glass, but I know they have some for wood. I know they have specific ones for glass, for grease, for marble, I'm pretty sure. And this says it is grease and grime, don't stand a chance, not with this power green technology in your grass. Each squirt is lovely, non-toxic glory, delivers powerful cleaning punch with natural derivatives, biodegradable ingredients. So I believe this is more of a naturally derived surface cleaner. I think it was, and it says it's non-toxic plant-based power green technology. I think that's why I picked it up in the first place, because I wanted something less harsh for everyday countertops and stuff like that. That's why I originally purchased it. I will absolutely repurchase this, but maybe in like the lavender or the grapefruit flavor. For some reason, I bought these in bulk on Amazon, so I still have quite a few bottles to go through. They were just like $36 for like 10 of them. So I picked it up because it's like $4.99 a bottle at my local store. So I grabbed it in bulk. I do have to finish them up, and I will. But next time I purchase these, I will definitely get them in a different flavor. So I have a Swiffer sweeper, but when I need to really scrub the floors and do like a deep thorough clean, I like this Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaner with Gain. It says great for kitchens, bathrooms, and other tough jobs. Cuts grease, powerful cleaning, safe on woods, multi-purpose cleaner. It is a multi-purpose cleaner. You do dilute this with water. I use it as for the floors. I've used it for pretty much anything. It smells like the Gain laundry detergent. If you love Gain laundry detergent, I highly recommend this for the scent. It's really good. It does clean well, and it says not recommended for carpets or copper or aluminum surfaces, but sometimes you just put a little in your sink. It will clean your sink while it's sitting in there. You can just scrub down your counters and then mop the floors and you're good to go. I do like this. I would repurchase it, but since I got my Swiffer, I don't use this quite as often, but I definitely think it's good. And if you love that Gain smell, you'll love this, and I would definitely repurchase it. Something that I don't particularly like is this Comet with Bleach. It's basically for your toilets and countertops and sinks. It's extremely messy. I would definitely, and it doesn't clean as good as Barkeepers. That's my favorite. I had horrible ring in my tub from just the hard water and buildup and soap buildup almost. I guess that's what it was. So somebody had recommended to me the Barkeepers, any of that line. I believe that's the name of it. So I picked it up, and it looks like this type of cylinder can. I sprinkled it in my tub. I was amazed. It was like a brand new tub, and I have that horrible white sink in the bathroom that constantly is stained. Sprinkled it in my sprinkled it in my kitchen sink. It was like brand new. I don't have it. I've used it up, and it doesn't take much scrubbing. It really does eliminate any of that grease and grime with the Barkeepers. This is fine. I just don't love it as much. I would definitely pass on this and get the Barkeepers. On to this Simple Green. It's non-toxic and biodegradable formula. It's an all-purpose cleaner. You can dilute this, or you can use as is. They have like the heavy duty, the general purpose cleaner, and light cleaning. I don't dilute it often, but you can. It definitely has like the smell is more, it's not like the green apple or something. It's just your average cleaning. It's not too harsh. My grandfather was the first one to use this and recommend it for me. I really like this. It is a little pricey compared to some of the other stuff, but I feel like this works great. When I'm cleaning, I just switch out my products, test them out, see what I like. This I definitely have used up. This has lasted me about a year. It's good. I like this. I would definitely recommend. It's a little bit safer than Bleach, obviously, and it definitely gets your grease stains off your counter. This I definitely recommend, and it definitely gets everything clean for you. This is a kitchen product. This is what I use in my dishwasher. Any of the finished products I like. I picked these up because they were on sale and there was a coupon left on the shelf, so I just gave it a try. And I believe for 32 of these, it was $4 something at Walmart with the coupon. You can always get coupons online for any of these dishwashers. But it's the gel packs in the orange scent, and I noticed these worked really good. Left everything, I didn't have to rewash anything. Even with the jam packed, it was good in the dishwasher. I definitely recommend anything from this brand, and I don't mind that it was the gel packs. This was really good. I also like their the thing that cleans the dishwasher from this brand, where you just stick it on the top. That's good. And yeah, for the clean machine, these are good. This brand's definitely a winner in my book. So, and it left everything spot free. So I definitely recommend this. The finish, and it's the gel packs in the deep clean orange scent. So highly recommend this. Love this. Again, this was a purchase. The Clorox Santevia disinfecting wipes. This is the Pacific Breeze and Coconut. This one's bleach free, but it kills 99% of the viruses. I got a couple of these. I just finished them up right around the end of school year when everybody was sick. The smell is really nice. It's less coconutty, and I feel like it smells like almost like a pina colada. These are great. I love Clorox. I love Lysol wipes. I love having these for a quick clean when you just have to wipe everything down. I like these to clean door handles, light switches, stuff that people don't think to really like sort of disinfect, because you know, like the remote controls, your cell phones, even around the toilet handle, because that carries, you know, you're constantly touching that stuff. So I feel like these are good to run around the house, just wipe everything down, give it a quick clean, and it smells nice. And the smell definitely lingers. It says it kills cold and flu viruses, staph, E. coli, MRSA, salmonella, strep, safe for wood, steel, granite, and stainless steel. So I definitely, you know, everybody loves these. Even your car, like your steering wheel, great for, especially with kids getting in and out of your car, wipe down anything they touch, especially around flu season. I like to get the spray and spray their sneakers, book bag, everything when it's flu season. Or my daughter is not sick once in the summer. The second school starts, she gets sick. When flu season, strep season, all that stuff goes around, hand sanitizer, washing hands. I try to teach her to wash her hands constantly and not touch your face a lot, but these definitely help, and I definitely recommend anything from this brand. One more kitchen item. This is sort of weird, but I don't often wash dishes unless I have a couple in there. This Dawn Ultra dishwash, it is the 56 fluid ounces, and this is the original scent. My husband bought this a year ago, and it lasted us that long, just doing a few dishes, mostly like pots and pans. I love this to wash my dog with. In the beginning of the summer, fleas were really bad. With the cat and the dog, the cat's an indoor cat. She never goes out, but he likes to go in the yard. And for whatever reason, we have so many stray animals, so many stray cats. He got fleas. We washed him with this because I hate harsh chemicals, but we washed him with this. It does kill them. This is incredible. Also, anytime you look up how to get rid of fleas, Dawn dish soap. We did this for all the animals. Well, not the cat. My sister's dog, my dog, because they're always together. And this was great. It has a wonderful smell. I love the Dawn smell. This literally lasted me a year. Definitely repurchase. It's great on, like if you ever have greasy hands from touching meat, I use this. It gets the grease off dishes, pots and pans. I love this. I love this for washing the dog. This is great. Definitely recommend. And last but not least, this is not a cleaning product, but it's a wax warmer. I love the Sensational brand, and there's Better Homes from Walmart. These are $2 each. You get 6 bars. You could use 1 bar if they're really heavily scented. Sometimes you need 2, but most of the time I just use 1. This Inner Zen, it's mint to breathe. It kind of will give you a little description on it. They're $2 at Walmart. They're $2.99 on their website, but at Walmart you can get them for $2. I love these. I put one in every day. The Inner Zen, the mint one, it smells like spearmint gum. This was great in the bathroom. It smelled like a spa almost, very, very clean, and it made my bathroom smell wonderful. And I could get like 3 or 4 days out of 1 bar. And in my living room, I'll put a different scent in. I constantly change out my scents. My favorite of all time is the Warm Apple Pie by Sensationals. I highly recommend it, especially if you like that fall smell. It definitely smells like fall. But I try all the seasonal ones. The cotton candy was good. I love these Sensationals. They're great. I just pop one in and keep it fresh. But this one we used up. I've gone through probably 4 of this particular one for the bathroom. I don't use this in the house. I prefer it in the bathroom. It is limited edition. I don't think they'll have them again till maybe next spring or summer. But if you get a chance to smell this, I definitely recommend it. I love the Sensationals. I can't justify $7.99 on a wax bar. If you love it, that's great. I've had Scentsy before, and the one that you can get from, what the heck's that place called? I've also had the one from Bass Pro Shops, the ones where they're almost like homemade. I've tried ones from local shops, that are a little more expensive, but I always go back to the $2 ones. So I highly recommend these, and if you have a favorite scent, let me know so I can try it, because I know a lot of people love these wax warmers. They're so much safer than candles. Well, that is everything in my empties cleaning products. If you use any of these products, let me know down below. If you have any recommendations for anything that I should try, that you think that I should try for cleaning products, also leave that down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more fun. I hope you have a great day, and thank you for watching.